Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about BurningDrop on KuCoin. So if you don't have KuCoin account, I'm going to leave a link in the video description for you to be able to create KuCoin account and make sure you verify your account. After doing all this, you will find this article over here. It says TemDAO token BurningDrop. You need to press this article. This pool will open today around 16 UTC. So make sure you check the time zone where you are, so for you to be able to stake this. And the token you'll be staking to get this airdrop is USDT, KCS, and Ethereum. So I'm going to press. Let me show you this value of this issue prices. This one TEM token, it will be 1 cent, and you can stake this asset USDT and Ethereum to get this airdrop. I'm just going to go to this app, and over here, once you have your asset you want to stake on this BurningDrop, you just need to press. Maybe you want to stake USDT for this token down. You just need to press this USDT. Then you need to select the amount you want to press. You want to burn for this, maybe $100 USDT or 20. As you can see over here, the minimum amount you can burn for this token is 20 USDT. So the same thing goes to the KSC. So you just need to press this. It said ongoing. This pool will open on today, 23 of December, 18 o'clock. This UTC time. So make sure you check your time zone to know when this pool is going to open. If you want to participate in this token drop, make sure when this pool open, you stake your asset in less than 1 minute, because a lot of people want to earn another token with their asset they have on this KuCoin. So a lot of people normally wait for this to participate in this token drop on KuCoin. First things you need to have the coin you want to stake. Wait for this pool to open. After this pool open, then stake your coin, then sit back. So that's how you will be able to participate in this burning token. After you stake your coin, you just come to this my subscriptions. You will be able to find this list of your the burn, like the stake you stake to burn, your staking. So you know, actually at the end of this pool, you know the amount of the coin you receive through this burning token. So that's what you need to know partaking to this BurningDrop on KuCoin. Make sure you subscribe to this channel to receive this kind of update, and if you get value in this video, make sure you like the video and turn on the notification bell. See you guys on the next video.